Ang ingay-ingay naman ng kolorete niya. Rinig niyo ba?
Ha?
December na mga kanuyog, ito talaga yung season kung saan nakakapag-dress down kami at hindi namin maisusot ang aming scrubs. Yahoo!
Shanes! Ayan na, yung hinahanap mo! May sasabihin siya sa'yo!
Sino?
Siya! Di ba sabihin mo na yung sasabihin mo?
Ngayon lang yung
Hinahanap mo!
Hindi, nandito na tayo na. Ano ka ba? Nag-hi hello na.
Saan?
Inik.
Ayaw, kaya nga.
Ayaw!
Eh, nagpa-appointment to sa akin eh. May appointment.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you heard me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate.
Ay, akala ko dito! Rice, Dok man ng rice!
No, kasi nagbanyo.
Gusto ko kumain ng rice.
Twice.
Barbie, gutom ka ba?
Balik.
Paano ka ba twice?
Kumain ka ba ng...
May chicken pa ako.
Ako rin.
Gusto mo? Hindi nga, seryoso.
Uy, may pagkain pa ako dala dyan.
Ayoko sa lahat nagugutom ka.
May, di ba may sinigang ako?
Ay, alam mo, may nahulog na ganyang garland sa CR.
May sinigang ako dyan.
Ate, hindi siya talaga hindi pa siya busog.
Gutom daw siya. Thank you, Janet.
Welcome, te.
It's a sad
Thank
lunch.
you. Cheers. Hindi pa yan tayo nag-cheers.
Very, very sad.
Mag-cheers daw tayo.
Cheers.
Hindi pa tayo nag-cheers.
It's from our apple juice.
Our apple juice.
Ay, lemon juice.
Limoncello.
Wish you well. Sabi nga ni ano.
Cheers, Janet.
Wish you well, sabi ni Bossing.
Wish you well. Wish you well.
We
Wish you well with your new endeavors.
Thank you, guys.
Wish you well. God bless you.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Cheers to good life.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers to...
To good life, kuya.
Ako nag-rice! Twice na ba ito? Asa pa si Ana? Sabi ko, tumae. Tumae? Sabi niya gano'n, ate, Barbie already had tae earlier. Does it matter?
Sige tayo.
Sige, tae it again. Sabi naman, Janice, it's healthy.
Kaya hitain na.
Kaya cheers.
Cheers, kuya, ha?
Cheers.
May tao pa ba?
Cheers to good life.
Sabi ko Ate Maria, ako na doon. Ayaw ko pumasok eh.
Pero walang chart.
Good friends.
Wala na, isa
Good
lang.
life.
Nasa
Ay, iwan.
Cheers!
Di pa wala po yung alcohol, ha?
Cheers.
Bawal eh.
Cheers mo. Wala kang...
No? Masarap, di ba?
Masarap tayo yung in-order mo lemonade.
Children.
Lemon chelas.
Maria! Mag-cheers tayo ng lemonade.
Cheers na lemonade.
Baka na lang ng lemonade mo.
Excuse me! Kailangan ko magmadali.
Aray ko. Ate, gutom nga siya. Ganito pong kalaki yung kinain ni Barbie. Naubos niya.
Uy, hindi pa naubos ha. Lalagyan ko ng kanin. Sabi ko pa kay ate, ayoko magkanin!
Pero ininit niya pa yung kahapon. Ganito pong kalaki yan.
Sino na dito?
Kitang-kita niya ubos. Ate, wag na!
Dito.
Tanga yung Jollibee.
Oh, tingnan niyo ba? Hindi po siya gutom.
Ayaw ko gutom. Akala ko ba mag-ano tayo? Uy, mag-cheers!
Teka, ate, yung ano ko.
Okay, cheers. Nandito si Maria eh.
Ate, pakiabot please.
Ate Ann!
Ate Ann!
Cheers!
Cheers to good
Good
life.
life!
Jolly good fellow! Cheers a jolly good fellow!
Wish you well.
Wish you
Ito pa lyrics Manhattan. Or Manhattan lyrics. Grabe, katibayan po yan. Believe kami.
Ang laki naman, te. Wow,
Uy,
kumakain.
nasan yung kutsilyo? Kinuha mo!
Excuse me. Bakit ka kumain?
Anong oras? Ate, sinabihan siya. Anong oras? Kuya Sep, anong oras?
Kumakain sila sa serving tray.
Alas 2 na. Kasi napian, ha?
Celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim
Miss,
What?
work from home tayo?
Hybrid ako.
I'm a Barbie girl.
I woke up. I just woke up. Muna, sige pa.
Bakit hindi matatanggal siya?
Sige, tagalan mo pa, sige.
Nasa mukha natin sa pakit dyan?
Tagalan mo pa. Haba, lakihan mo. Yung kailangan yung kasya yung mukha ni Angel. Yan.
Pumote.
Okay na? Okay.
Ako na take doon. Ay, teka.
Hindi, lakihan mo pa. Dapat ito nakataas. Yan. 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 Oo. Pwede na. Okay?
Careful lang talaga, te.
Oo nga, dapat dahan-dahan sa pagkain.
Tignan mo, may itim.
Ano may ito? Ito.
Oo.
Ayan.
Come home to, yes, I am on my way. We'll put